Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when using the terminal on macOS. The issue arises when we try to bind the page up and page down keys to specific commands, but they seem to just scroll the screen instead of executing the desired actions. This can be quite frustrating, especially when we want to access the command history quickly. The solution to this problem lies in customizing the terminal settings to pass the page up and page down keys to the ZSH shell. By configuring the key sequences in the terminal settings, we can redirect these keystrokes to trigger the desired commands in ZSH. This involves adding the key sequences for page up and page down in the terminal settings to correspond to specific actions. In order to achieve this, we need to set the key sequence for page up to \E5 and for page down to \E6. Once these key sequences are set up in the terminal settings, we can then use the bindkey command to pair these keys with the corresponding history search commands. Specifically, we can use bindkey $E5 history search backward to map the page up key to history search backward, and bindkey $E6 history search forward to map the page down key to history search forward. To sum it up, by customizing the terminal settings and using the bindkey command with the appropriate key sequences, we can effectively bind the page up and page down keys to history search commands in ZSH. Now you can navigate through your command history with ease and efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech challenges you'd like us to tackle. Stay curious and keep exploring.